In this video, I'll show you how to unblock someone on TikTok using either an iPhone or Android device. First, open the TikTok app and tap on Profile in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. If you're using an iPhone, scroll down and tap Blocked Accounts. If you're using Android, tap Privacy first, then scroll down and select Blocked Accounts. You'll now see a list of all the accounts you've blocked. Simply find the person you want to unblock and tap Unblock next to their username. That's it. The account is now unblocked and can interact with your profile again. Just keep in mind that unblocking someone does not automatically make you follow each other again. If you want to reconnect, you'll need to manually follow them or send a follow request if their account is private. And that's how to unblock someone on TikTok. Pretty simple, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tutorials.